Well, hi everybody. Stay-at-home grandmom, and this is what I got in Tuesday's mail. This is still kind of a review, but not with the regular, reviews that I do. I got this. How's everybody doing, by the way? And these are, I guess these are cardstocks. They're for color and film and everything like that. So I'm going to use these for different projects. I thought that was very nice. Then they gave me this. You're wondering what that is. These are all the jewelry making accessories, and I'm going to open it up. And since I'm going to be making jewelry because I have so many things, I decided that they sent me this, and it has the earring backs, and because I don't want to open it, the earring holders and the clips, for the clips when you're making the necklaces, and the earrings, loops, and more clips, and just different things. And then the two prongs, I call them. But I thought that was really good because I'm going to be making jewelry. I hadn't made any in a while, but then I started like playing around, and I thought, well, that's good. So I got that. And then I got this. Okay. This is a cookbook stand. It holds cookbooks, and it holds books, and it also holds your computers, like your iPad, whatever. So let's open it, shall we? I thought that was nice. Now this holds the cookbook. I guess you're going to put all this together somehow. My husband will have to do this one because I can't figure these things. Little things like this I can't figure out. Well, really, maybe I can. Who knows? And then it has the, it tells you right here. It says important to customer information. Thank you for becoming a customer. We hope you love your cookbook stand. Important news. We just opened an exclusive customer-only VIP membership. So the customer only can access the product tester. Okay, well that's good. So anyway, and these are the things that go with it, and this is the sheet that goes over it. So I'm going to have my husband play around with this, and hopefully, or I might play around with it. Who knows? We'll see. I'm not good with these things though, and I was once, but I'm not anymore. So rather than mess it up, I'll have him do it. My brain doesn't work like that anymore. Put this back in the zipper. Then I got USB sync charge cables with lightning. Okay, and these are for iPad, iPhone, and iPod. So I've been having problems with my iPad, so we'll see. I'm going to have to call the company, and I really don't feel like calling them, but I guess I'm going to have to. Then, oh, I got to show you this. These are all stones. They're all gemstones. There's a whole bunch of them in here, so we'll see what I can do with those. I have ideas, but we'll see. And then I got, well, I always get vitamin. I got vitamin D3. And I think these are chewable. I'm not sure. What was that? but I can always take the vitamin D3. Then, you know I got some essential oil, always. This smells so good. This is patchouli. Oh, I love the smell of that. And then, I got the dabbers, some more dabbers. I'm going to give some of these to my granddaughter, but I'm also going to put some in my jar for me to have too as well. And then, this was supposed to be for the bathroom. And this was supposed to be for to hang up the dryer. What? See, I saw it. This right here. I thought it would probably take one of the it's got the screws in it and everything. I'll show you. I think it might take one of the glue guns. So I think I'm going to use it for that. Because I don't really use my dryer. I don't even have a dryer, come think of it. No. Then, I got the kids' junior C. This stays here too. So, those will go with me. Then, cute little case, isn't it? This is the little, this is a little drill. See if you can see that. And in it, has this little, it has these little screws and things like that. People won't drop them. These are the little screw bits. So I got this for jewelry making. And then I got 2 different packages of these. What are these, do you say? They are handles for the drawers. And I got them in white. Aren't they beautiful? I got them in white. There are, I'll tell you how many there are. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 10 of these. I thought these were beautiful. And I'm going to, at some point, I hope to be able to redo this drawer over here where all my stuff is at, and paint it in some funky colors, and put different knobs on it, and kind of just spruce it up a little bit. So let's realize something too. And then this was the other color. I tried to get some other colors. I did for them, but it didn't work out at all. And these are the little pink ones. Aren't they pretty? So I wanted no, this is purple, not pink. I wanted green, white, and the purple, and possibly there was a color, different colors, like a different shade in it. And I wanted one of those, but nobody answered me back. So that's it. That's what I got in my mailbox today. If you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Don't forget that you're supposed to be able to do the tree, the Valentine's Day tree. I still haven't put a top on it, but I will. But it came out really nice, all things considered, because like I said, I had never done it before. So I don't know whether I'll put lollipops in. You know what? I might put some lollipops on the top. If you got any suggestions, write it down in the comment section. Anyway, I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.